Welcome back. Let's solve this simple problem on the board. X exponent x is equals to 3 exponent x plus 243. How do you solve this problem? Solution. Now, we are going to write x exponent x equals to, we separate this using the rule of indices, which says that a exponent b plus c is equals to a exponent b, then multiply by a exponent c. So we write this expression in this form so that we have 3 exponent x multiplied by 3 exponent 243. Now, next, we divide both sides by 3 exponent x in order to isolate the variable in x on one side of the equation. That is, divide by 3 exponent x, divide by 3 exponent x. So here we cancel this. And since the exponents are equal, we combine those x all over 3, then exponent x. And this is equals to 3 exponent 243. Now, on the left-hand side, we make the base equal to the exponent by simply raising both sides to the power of 1 over 3. X over 3 raised to the power of x, then raised to the power of 1 over 3 is equals to 3 exponent 243, then raised to the power of 1 over 3. Now, according to the rule of indices, we simply multiply the exponent so that we have x over 3. Multiplying the exponent, x times 1 over 3 will give us x over 3. And this is equals to, now multiplying the exponent implies 3 divide 243, we get 81. So this is 3 exponent 81. Now we have x over 3 exponent x over 3 equals to 3 exponent 81 is 3 multiplied by 27. So here is going to be x over 3 exponent x over 3 equals to 3 exponent 3 is 27 raised to the power of 27. Now, on both sides of this equation, the base and the exponent are equal. We simply equate either the base or the exponent because the equation is now isomorphic. So we have x over 3 is equals to 27, and this is over 1. We cross multiply, x times x is x. 3 times 27 is 81. So the value of x in this equation is 81. Bye.